Hello guys, I'm Bo. Why I show the rice? The rice for us is very important because we have to eat rice 3 meals per day. Is rice is same your potato. So you wonder how we store the rice after we harvest the rice from the field and how we get the rice for cooking. This video will take you to find the answer. That's my example is me สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้ทำไมโบโชว์ข้าวนะคะเพราะว่าโบจะพาวิดีโอนี้จะพาไปรู้จักว่าข้าวเนี่ยกว่าจะหุงมาได้เนี่ยคนไทยเนี่ยเขาจะต้องเก็บข้าวยังไงจากตั้งแต่เก็บข้าวแล้วก็เอาไปสีข้าวแล้วก็หุงเป็นเมล็ดข้าวเราไปหาคำตอบกันด้วยกันเถอะค่ะ
เนี่ยแหละบอลจบเห็นเนาะหนึ่งเกลือขายเห็นเนาะตลอด
ต้องมามือตอนกี่อันนี้เนาะ
ตอนกี่เกียน
ตอนกี่เกณฑ์พร้อม
บ้านอ่ะบอลใจจะไหลจบ
อันนี้สุดเลยจ้ะ
นี่บอลยังลือเราเต็มที่โรงงานยังยงจ่ายในขัดจังหวัดจรวง
อ๋อก็คือบ้านกอตีมคัดตีมารอบ
ตีมารอบ
ต้องมามือตอนกี่เกณฑ์ให้จ้ะนี่น่าสนใจนะนี่
น้องเชื่อ
โอ้เห็นยายจุ๋มกินไม่ได้ตะโกนบอกยายจุ๋มรถน่าจะรถอยู่แถวบ้านยายจุ๋มเลยไอ้รถที่แม่ถ้าเปลือกตกในถุงถ้าเปลือกใครไม่รู้เก็บได้ทางนี้ใครด้วยผมได้ก็ปล่อยอย่างนี้ต้องปล่อยนี่เหรอมันปลาจีเลยนี่รถอยู่ทางนี้เห็นมอเตอร์ไซค์มันลากมานี่
Now 6 a.m. in the morning. Every morning I will cook the rice. How much I should cook the rice? It depends on each family, how they eat the rice per day. My family, we eat like 2 cups. And I will cook only early in the morning. Some family they cook morning and evening, but for me cook one time enough. take the rice to wash twice time. Then the water I will keep to water my plant. And this how you add the water into the rice. If you add not enough water, make the rice hard. If you add too much water, make the rice melt. I always use my finger, my hand, and I do like this. If some water is covered to my hand, it means good. See, I will show you. Okay, this good. It's good. And this the rice cooker. You bring the rice that you clean and you take it to the rice cooker. And they will have a light here. Some rice cooker they will have more light. Like when they done cooking, they will have the light that tell you that it's warm. But for me, only one light that tell cooking, so I push it. So the light is turned on. If you can see. And when they done cooking, this light will turn off. You have to wait about 5 minutes, then you can have a right to eat. Because they still steaming, they still cooking. Don't eat by right away. So this morning, my morning cooking rice every day. I take the rice water to water the plant. Rice is cooked now, so I will take the rice for morning for breakfast. This that we having, that I going to have breakfast. So I have deep fried fish, barbecue catfish, this one is a salt fish, and I have kawa from garden and papaya, and some grape and morning coffee. And we have to have chili sauce for go with this one and this one. So that how we take the rice to having for meal each day. Thank you for keep watching until the end of the video. I hope you understand more how we take the rice, how the rice is important for Thai people. If no have rice, each meal we feel weak, we don't have energy to work. If you like this video, please give a thumb up, and if you are new here, help to support my YouTube channel by subscriber and press the bell icon for notification. Feel free to leave comment below and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Enjoy with my breakfast, friend. Yummy.